Hey Drag, welcome back to the Stats Family channel. I am doing another makeup video. Okay, it's been a while. Dimple's writing me. It's been a while since I gave y'all a video. So what? Actually, it's been a while since I gave y'all a makeup video. So today I'm gonna give y'all that, and also this is a collab with Dimples. Y'all know Cosmetic Genie. Anyways, yes, this is gonna be a collab. Okay, so we're gonna do like a smoky blue but look today. I'm personally going for like a bold blue look. Okay, like bam blue. Okay. So I don't know what palette I'm going to use to achieve that. I never done that, so this is why I wanted to do this. Also, I have a hat that I like, that could possibly match this look. So I'm hoping that I could put that hat on after the makeup look, if it come out right. Okay, because I never know how my looks gonna come out. I got an idea, but I'm not really sure if I'm gonna be able to achieve it. Anywho, make sure y'all thumbs up the video. Make sure you check out Cosmetic Genie's on. We're just mainly focusing on eyes. Of course, I'm gonna do something to my lips, but it's not gonna be something nothing too major. It's just gonna be plain. So I'm going to put some lip balm on it until then. So make sure you're following me on Instagram at Shawakatima, and on Facebook either Shawakatima or the Stats Family have a page on Facebook as well. So make sure you go like that page and keep up with me, because when I'm not on YouTube, that is where I be. You feel me? Deuces. See y'all later on in the video. Alright. I already got my eyebrows done, and I already primed. I am just for to draw what I want blue. So basically what I'm for do for the take a pencil. I just needed a line. It don't need to be perfect. Alright, so next I'm gonna take this Panther Black and Wet n Wild Black towards the end here. Alright, next I'm gonna take this palette, the Beauty Treat palette. I'm gonna take a brown to soften up this black. I hope y'all can see this. That one right there with my hand pointing. Right. For the blue, we're gonna be using Take Me to Brazil palette. This blue right here. Right there. First. Alright, so now I'm going to put this blue on top of it. All right, I'm gonna take this brush from BH Cosmetic. It is number 12. Look like this. And I'm finna blend it out. Blend it out with no product. This one right here and put under my eyebrow. I don't want a lot, so I'm just gonna do like a little bit, a tiny bit. So I'm gonna take another brush, round case brush, and then I'm gonna just dab just a little bit and tap like this. Like that. I'm gonna finish up and then I'll come back. This is the after look, y'all. Cute. Y'all, like a thug that nerve. This is